That's how you recover the password. Now, how to copy the iOS files from flash in the router to the PC TFTP server. That's called TFTP server. Copy source destination. Already it is like that. Copy source and then destination. So here copy flash. From flash you are copying it to TFTP server, trivial file transfer protocol. To transfer files you have to set up this application TFTP on the server. So it will allow you to copy from router to the TFTP server. Copy flash TFTP. In flash, which file you have to copy? So it will ask you the file name, source file name, and you can enter the source file name here. And then it has to connect to the TFTP server. So you have to provide the IP address of this TFTP server to get connected. So you have to issue the IP address of the TFTP server, and then in this IP address will tell the router that it has to connect to this TFTP server. And what is the destination file name in this server, with what file name it has to save in. By default it will take the whatever file name that you enter in the source file name. You can change this file name also, but it's always preferred to have the same file name. Better not to change the file names here, at least the iOS file names, because the router will understand these files only if it is in a specific name format. If it is in a different format, it might not understand. So always better to prefer the same names. Here it's very important, so many bytes. Sometimes if it get disconnected in between, you can verify whether it has copied the entire file or it has copied only the partial file or not. So to check this, you can see how many bytes it has been copied. And from TFTP server, if you want to copy it to the flash file, you can issue the similar way. Copy TFTP, left that is the source, right is the destination. Copy TFTP flash. So if you give TFTP as the source, you have to provide the IP address. You can give the IP address and then the source file, what file in that TFTP server it has to copy to the flash, and then the destination file name. And if you enter, it will copy and it will tell you how many bytes have been copied and what is the total memory in the flash and how many bytes have been occupied. It will show up.